my name's Alicia from Blue Sea Real Estate, and today I want to present to you this equestrian estate. This incredible property is just 50 minutes from the city of Málaga and just an 8-minute drive from the local village of Villanueva de la Concepción. This equestrian estate sits on 14 hectares, which is around 140,000 square metres. The property consists of 2 horse arenas, one 20 by 60 and one 20 by 40, 1 horse walker, 1 round pen, 6 or 7 outdoor paddocks with shelters for the winter months, 18 stables, a breeding area and a lot more. The main property consists of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with an indoor swimming pool. This property has many special features throughout, but could do with a bit of renovating. There is also a second property of a 2-bed, 1-bathroom cottage, also with many special features, very much the Spanish traditional finca style. The property is currently being used as an equestrian stud farm to breed the Andalusian horse, although there is plenty of potential for this property to be so much more. Thank you for watching this video with Blue Sea Real Estate. If you have any inquiries, please leave us a message below, or you can contact us directly through the Blue Sea website. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you for the next property tour.